Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm joined by Chef Chris from Iconic Restaurant and Grill, and he's going to show us how to make a soy ginger green bean. How do we start?
So let's start with building the sauce.
Okay.
We basically add a little soy sauce, and then we want to mince some ginger. And then when you get in here and really start slicing, you can smell that delicious ginger aroma. But that's way too much, so we've already pre-created some here.
That was just our lesson in ginger dicing.
Exactly. Gotta get a little bit in. Then we're gonna add some honey for sweetness. And then the spicy. A little Sriracha sauce, and if you want to throw in that one, that is Sambal, which is a chili sauce.
Okay.
And this is going to be a little thin, and we want it to cling to our green beans. So we're going to add what's called a cornstarch slurry. So we'll mix up a little cornstarch and hot water and turn that into a cloudy little liquid and pour that in. Stir that all up and get it on the heat.
All right, well, we'll take it over to the KitchenAid stovetop and start reducing it. Okay, our sauce has been reducing for about 15 minutes. What's next?
Then we're going to get our pan. We want this one rocket hot. And yeah, give us a nice zigzag of oil. All right, now that our pan is rocket hot, let's put the green beans in there. These have been pre-blanched, so basically we boil some water, stick these in there for maybe 20 seconds until they turn nice and bright green. Okay. Now we're going to reheat them in the oil. And we want to hear that sizzle. Really get it blistering hot in here. All right, we're starting to get the blisters on the beans, which is exactly what we're looking for. And then just add enough of that to coat. Give them a quick toss.
Well, they smell good, and I'm sure they're going to taste good. We're going to take some outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Would you like to try our green beans we just made with ginger and soy?
Sure.
Tell us what you think.
Okay. It's really good.
You can find this recipe at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thank you for joining us in the KitchenAid kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. We'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.